What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here in my 1991 MazdaMiata, and we're actually waiting for my brother to get here. He's gonna be here any minute now in his brand new 1998. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It is completely stock, but it looks so cool. He should be here any minute, but it is about 10 a.m. today on a Saturday morning here in Southern California, and me and Steve are actually headed over to wash our cars, and then I need to put some oil in the Miata desperately because I started noticing something a little weird. Like, I was noticing like the sound of the valve lifters a little bit more than usual, and it's like a tapping sound in the engine, and it's kind of a good sign that your oil needs to either increase weight because it's too hot or you need oil. And so I checked the oil, and sure enough, we are so low on oil, guys, that it's actually kind of scary. So I'll show you guys right now. Let's just check it out. Alright guys, so my oil stuff is actually in the Z. I got a little rag here. Alright, so here we are, got the Miata. And you know, I actually don't know if this thing burns oil or not, but based on how it looks, I'm just gonna assume that it does burn oil because, yeah, I'll just show you guys. So in the 1991 MazdaMiata, the dipstick is actually right back here, and mine is obviously snapped off and broken, but we can still get to it. So I'm gonna put this down, and we're gonna grab it. So I checked this the other day. Obviously there shouldn't be any more oil in here. If there is, that would be really weird, wouldn't it? Give it a good wipe first, make sure it's clean. Stick it back down, let it sit there for a sec. So that is pretty low. So here is where it's at. Here's where it should be. So we're gonna go put basically an entire quart in this thing. So I'm assuming that we burned a lot of oil driving to Santa Barbara, and I probably should have checked the oil before we went up there, but we didn't. So, you know, thank God we made it back, right? That's always terrifying. The car god's looking out for us once again. All right, that's all the way down. This is tight. Oil just goes right here, pretty easy. And we're gonna head over to O'Reilly right now. Once Steve gets here, he should be here any minute now, and then we'll be good to go. So this thing has seriously no oil in it right now. We're gonna head straight to O'Reilly's before we do anything. Luckily, it is like 1 minute down the road from my house. And yeah, this thing just desperately needs oil. Steve should be here any minute. I'm gonna give him a call really quick just to see where he's at. Yo, is that your manual? That's amazing.
Let's go, I'm almost there.
Awesome, awesome. Steve's here. Yes.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Shoot, bro. This thing is clean. Bro. What's up, bro? What's up? Should we go to O'Reilly's?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Dude, this thing is clean. What is that? 10? Oh my God. I can like fix my hair in this.
Too dark.
Too dark. Is the front the same?
Yeah.
No way. Oh, bro. What the? Oh my God. In the back and everything? Oh yeah, dude, clean. Okay, I'll see you at O'Reilly's. Yes. Need some oil terribly. All right, drive safe, man. Yo. All right, you guys, we are headed out. We're headed to O'Reilly's, and then we're gonna go wash the whips. I'll see you guys in a few. Sheesh, that thing is clean. You guys, I love the look of the 6th gen Civic. I just think it looks so sick. Oh yeah, and then once we slam it to the ground, it's gonna be so cool. All right, so I'm doing some research on oil type right now for the Miata, and it seems like any 5W30 or 10W30 will work pretty well. So that's probably what we're gonna look for here. O'Reilly's. I wanna find some shade. Oh, yes. Shade. Oh, yes. Gang, gang. Dude, that tint is so, I cannot even see your face.
Really?
Yeah, it's just like a silhouette. Literally. All right, we are here. We have made it. What on earth? This is just chilling here.
What is that?
It's a little blade thing for like a saw. All right, here we are. The whips, bro. Oh my God, these things look so good.
JDM squad.
Dude, one second, let me get this angle here. The JDM team right here, dog. Sick. Okay, so we'll run into O'Reilly's, we'll get some oil, and then we'll be good to go. 10W30?
If I turbo that Civic?
Oh, the oil, here we are. 10W, where's the mobile one? See, we could use Valvoline. Pens oil. Yes, this one. No, it's O'Reilly brand. So I used to get this stuff. It's cheap, this stuff, $3.99.
How much is
but
that? 1 quart?
I've upgraded.
Oh, 30 cents.
10W30. Oh,
Did you actually ever notice the difference in the Z when you put the high mileage one in there?
No.
Okay.
But it's a placebo. It feels like it works.
Well then, there you go.
Dude, I probably said that like 30 times in this video already. Like you rolled up, I'm like, shoo. All right, let's do this.
Is it gonna smell? Is it kind of like mine where it's like,
yep.
Easy. Where's yours? Oh, there
There
it
it
is.
is. It goes right in there. Oh. Boom.
It's always different.
I know, right? Oh, I didn't bring my funnel, but that's okay.
Oh well. I want to clean my engine bay.
Dude, we have to.
Yeah. No, you know how to do it, right?
Yes, I need to re-clean mine because it's been a while.
Don't you have like a full video on it?
Dude.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll make sure to check that out so I know what I'm doing.
Dude, right?
Where are we at?
Right there on the L. Terrible, right?
So where do you want it?
So we want it right on the H. Kind of like
Oh God! So you're like way down there.
Or is that F? That's full. No, yeah, low and then full. So we want it at that line, and it's at this line. So
got it.
So we add like, let's add like half a quart. See where we're at. Wait a few minutes. Let it all trickle down. Economics, and then we'll.
Yeah.
We'll see where we're at. Oh, I saw a trick, you guys. So put your oil cap here.
Whoa.
Yep. So if you're ever going to like drive away or you like close this, it doesn't let you close it without putting the cap back on, because it happens. You can put it here and you can be like, all right, we're done, and close it and forget to put the cap on, and your engine's done in like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Seriously. So like, saw that on TikTok actually.
Wow.
10 to be 30, high mileage. I mean, it's funny because they say 75,000 miles is high mileage, but like, that's nothing.
Dude.
If I found a car with 75K, I'd be like, that's low.
Yeah. I found a remanufactured B16 on OfferUp that was $700 with how many miles? Guess.
150K.
That's your guess?
Yeah.
40K.
40K.
40K, bro.
On the rebuild though?
Yeah. On the remanufacture.
That was about half, right?
Do you normally top it off?
We wait for the oil to trickle down, and then we'll check it again. So.
Okay. But the B16 740K miles. What do you think?
Dude, I mean that's not bad though.
I know, dude.
40K, this thing's got.
Nothing would be screaming if I put that B16 in there.
So tell us tell us a little bit about this thing.
Off the hood.
Pop the hood, please. While we let the oil, you know, settle down, we can talk about this thing for a little bit.
The car has 286K on the chassis.
That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. But you know, you would never guess.
You would never guess at all. You know, look how high that goes.
It looks pretty clean. Oh yeah, that thing is screaming.
But the engine was swapped, and it currently has 160K on it.
Oh, so that's not bad though.
So it's not insanely high on like the chassis.
Yeah,
you know? So,
like,
I mean, it runs great.
Dude, it does. It really does.
When we picked up the car from the guy, he already had it started, and the reason why was because it had to be jumped.
Oh, that's true.
The car wouldn't start normally. We had to jump the car before we got there, and obviously the battery was dead.
Yeah.
You know, so the battery was completely dead. It was smoking. The battery was smoking.
It was literally smoking.
And like there was this leaking battery acid. It was horrible. It was a horrible battery. Swap that out, and starts up every single time.
Got a new one.
Yep.
Works perfectly.
I just replaced the starter yesterday.
Oh,
that little shiny silver with the red sticker there.
Oh, I see
yeah,
that.
I just replaced that yesterday.
How did you get? I mean, that must have been. That took some time, didn't it?
Maybe like 45 minutes.
Oh, that's not too bad.
45 minutes, and with like a few ratchets and extensions.
Sweet. Dude, now we just get some headers and we just straight pipe this thing out the back, and it sounds like a chainsaw.
I want to get a new exhaust in the back. I want to lower it.
Dude.
I want to put Integra wheels on there.
Integra wheels?
I want to polish it with Integra wheels white, so it just looks nice sitting there with gold coilovers.
That would be sick.
Oh, that would be. I want to get new paint done on it because.
Oh man, welcome to the club.
Especially the trunk.
Oh, I feel that.
The trunk is all oxidized and everything.
Not terrible, not terrible.
I just bought the new decal and put it on just like yesterday.
I feel that's cool. Look how shiny. I mean, that's like the cleanest thing on the whole outside right now.
eBay, $10.
Dude, this thing is sick though.
Oh, it is. Got a good deal on it too.
Dude, I know. How much?
Like 18?
1800?
Got one at 23, but we talked to him about everything.
Dude, that tint is so dark.
I know.
It's like, I mean, it's like a mirror. Jeez, man. Oh, that's right. We gotta fix this too.
He actually gave me the handle. He gave it to me. Like, he had it already.
Yeah.
He's gonna do it. He just said it's annoying to do. It takes a while.
I feel.
But whatever.
We'll get to it. We'll get to it. Sweet. All right, let's check the oil. It's been a few minutes.
Yes. Oh yeah. So we're up.
So
we're up more.
We're up like there. So it needs. I mean, probably like the rest of this quart.
Just all of it.
Yeah. The dipstick shows you the highest quart. So the last quart. Like the Z holds 5 quarts. So if it's at all the way on low, then there's only 4 quarts in there. You know.
Got
If
it.
it's halfway, it's 4.5 quarts.
Yeah. I probably gotta change the oil on this thing pretty soon too.
That's true. We don't even know when it was done, right?
No.
Did it, but, I mean,
We have no idea, but I mean, at least we can just check this. I might have to change my oil soon. No, it's clear. It's dry.
wait. So hold this.
So
Hold
there's no oil.
this.
No, come on. We checked it when we were there. I have no leaks.
We did check it?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, it might burn oil though.
So that's the smell? No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's see.
Maybe it's so clear that you just can't see it.
Oh wait, there's some right on the tip right there.
Oh, so
Dude,
this thing has no oil.
There's nothing in there.
Oh, let's put some in.
Let's go buy some.
Oh, yeah.
Dude.
Whoa, what the heck? Whoa, crazy.
Hey man, at least we checked.
Hey, at least we know. I had a
Okay.
good idea to check. So let's figure that out.
Alright guys, what kind of oil did you get? High mileage?
5W30 high mileage.
Beautiful. Dude, that's the exact same stuff I run in the Z. Alright, so let me put this right here. There you go. Just let it run.
Money.
This is a sign, you guys. Go and check your car's oil right now.
Right away.
Right now.
Don't be like me.
Dude,
we checked it.
I thought we did, didn't we?
I thought we checked it. I thought it was fine.
I think.
Did we
Not check it?
Because there was nothing in there.
Yeah.
I drove it for 500 miles and there was nothing.
That's okay.
JDM gang, guys.
At least it's a Honda, you know. Hondas go forever, so.
For sure.
For sure.
For sure.
Would you look at that?
It's climbed.
Pretty much there.
Let me put my hand right there and I focus.
Oh, there you go.
I focus on my hand.
You got it.
There you go.
This way.
Perfect. Right there.
Right at the line. Should we add a little bit more, or?
I mean, how high do you need it? Like up to that little like.
Up to the line. I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I might just leave it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just because I don't want to like overfill it. Alright guys, so this is a pretty eventful day at the O'Reilly's. We actually went through 2 whole quarts of oil because I wasn't aware that I needed a lot of oil, and neither was Steve, but we got it all fixed. This is your sign right now to go and check your oil because,
Check your oil.
yeah, I mean,
Don't be like me.
it sneaks up on you, especially if you got high miles on your car. Check it out because you randomly will just need a new motor. How it works.
One day.
One day you'll just randomly need a new engine, so definitely go check your oil. Put this back on here. Miata's full. Feels so good. It literally is just such a relief to know that your car is just fine, you know, like.
My car's looking at me like, thank God.
Alright guys, so that is Steve's project car. I hope you guys like that. I mean, look at this thing. It has so much life left ahead of it, even though it has 290K miles on the chassis. There's so much more life ahead, and I mean, it's just so cool looking. I just love the look of the 6th generation Civic. I just think it's so sleek looking. When this thing is slammed, I mean, it's gonna look so like the presidential vehicle, you know what I mean? It's just gonna have that awesome look to it.
It's gonna be tight.
We did all the maintenance for it, or at least Steve did all the replacement stuff he needed to do, and checked the oil. We fixed the oil in the Miata as well, so got a lot done today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a thumbs up and hit the comment section. Drop a comment if you haven't yet already, and then please hit the subscribe button and join the family so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Peace out.